Hi everyone, it's me again. Long time no see, and today I'm come back with my son. It's time to read the book, baby.
Yes.
Which book? Which?
Hey, look! Farm animals. Hey, chicken!
Okay.
Chicken!
Okay. Look at the picture. I can see so many animals. What animal can you see?
Chicken.
Yes. A chicken.
Cow.
A cow. A
Sheep.
sheep.
A pig.
Yes. And
A duck.
a dog.
A goat.
And a yellow dog. Okay. They look so small. Okay, let's open the book.
What? Look at that!
What animal can you see?
It's a dog.
A
Whoa,
dog.
whoa, whoa.
Oh, how does the dog say?
Meow.
Oh, does dog say meow?
No, it's a cat. Meow.
Okay, how does the dog say?
No, no.
Really?
No, it's a goat.
Okay,
Let's try again.
let's try again, okay?
Woo, woo, woo.
So good. What color is the dog?
It's brown.
Hmm?
It's a brown.
Yeah, it's
So brown.
okay.
This is so brown.
Yes, a yellow dog.
Hey, look. What is that there?
The next one is a
Pig.
pig. Uh-oh. Look.
Look.
How does a pig feel? It's so
Pink.
Oh, how does the pig feel? Look, the pig is smiling. So it's so
The pig talking like this. Go, 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 go.
the pig is so happy. Can you make a happy face? Okay, yes, you're so cute. Okay, the next one. I can see a yellow animal. What's it?
It's a chicken.
Yes. Do you like to eat chicken eggs?
Like this.
Okay.
Like this.
The next one.
It's a goat.
A goat. Okay. The goat. What is the goat doing?
Jumping.
Yes, the goat is jumping. Okay.
Like this.
Jumping over the
Grass.
grass. Okay, so good. How does the goat say?
Shh.
Is it? Meh, meh. It's a snake.
It's a snake.
Yes.
Moo.
The goat say?
Moo.
It's a cow. A cow.
Cow is there.
Yes.
It's not a goat.
Do you like cow milk?
Yes, but I chicken milk today.
Show it.
This is the milk, but I like it too.
Okay. It's a
Milk. This is the milk. It's a real milk.
Do you finish your milk?
Yes, I am finished this milk. This is a real milk. Real
It's
milk.
empty. Okay, now.
empty.
Hey, a cow. I can see a cow.
Cow
What is a cow doing?
is eating the grass.
Okay, the cow is eating grass. I can see a flower.
Oh,
What color is the black flower?
it's not a black flower. It's a blue flower. Hey, look. What color is a flower like?
Yellow?
Yes.
How does the cow say?
No. No.
Let's try again.
Look.
Good try. Try again.
No, it's not a chicken. It's a cow saying moo.
So good. Uh-oh.
Duck.
What can you see?
A duck.
A
Yeah.
duck.
A yellow duck.
Yes. How does a duck feel?
Yellow.
How does the duck feel? The duck feels happy. The duck is smiling. Okay. Oh, the
Goat.
sheep.
The goat.
How many flowers can you see?
Two.
You say, I can see.
I can see 2 flowers.
Yes, a yellow and a blue flower. Uh-oh. The last one. What can you see?
It's a,
Yeah, it's the same. What can you see here?
it's many animals.
Yeah, so which one do you like?
I like the duck.
The duck?
Yes, I like the cows. But I like the dog.
Okay. They are so cute. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
I don't